Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now meet me Miss May in English Corner of Al-Mahrusyah Vocational High School. Improve your English and learn new English material here. But before we start it, if you want to see more free English lesson, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Well, today we are going to study about cause and effect sentence, and I hope after watching this video you can understand and practice it in your daily life. And as usual, I will give this lesson using bilingual, bahasa Indonesia and English. Seperti biasanya, saya akan memberikan materi kali ini, pelajaran kali ini menggunakan dua bahasa, yaitu bahasa Inggris dan bahasa Indonesia. Because today we are going to study about cause and effect sentence. So for the first time we have to know what is the meaning of cause and effect sentence. Karena kali ini kita akan mempelajari tentang cause and effect sentence, pertama-tama yang harus kita ketahui adalah apa sih arti dari cause and effect sentence? Cause adalah sebab dan effect adalah akibat, sedangkan sentence adalah kalimat. So, what is the meaning of cause and effect sentence? Jadi apa maksudnya dari cause dan effect sentence? Yeah, great. Cause and effect sentence is kalimat sebab dan akibat. But for the first time in this video, we are going to study about cause sentence only, whereas for the effect sentence we will study in the next video. Tetapi untuk pertama kalinya di video ini kita akan mempelajari tentang cause sentence saja, sedangkan untuk effect sentence kita akan pelajari di video selanjutnya. Dalam mengungkapkan kalimat sebab kita membutuhkan kata penghubung atau biasa disebut dengan conjunction. Conjunction untuk kalimat sebab ada tiga, yaitu because, as, dan since. Ketiga kata ini memiliki arti karena. Nah, what is the function of because, as, and since? Terus, apa fungsi dari kata because, as, dan since? The function of because, as, and since is to join to complete sentence, untuk menggabungkan dua kalimat lengkap. And now, what is the meaning of complete sentence? The complete sentence is kalimat lengkap. Kalimat lengkap minimal terdiri dari subject and verb. For example, they eat. They as subject and eat as verb. Another, subject to be noun or adjective. For example, they are student. They as subject, are as to be, and student as noun. Okay, now I will give you explanation about how do we use the word because, as, and since in the sentence. Baik, sekarang Miss May akan menjelaskan bagaimana cara kita menggunakan kata because, as, dan since dalam kalimat. Please look at this table. Silakan simak tabel berikut ini. Here there are three columns. The first column is the first sentence. Kolom pertama adalah kalimat pertama. And the second column is the conjunction. Kolom kedua adalah kata penghubung because, as, dan since. The third column is the second sentence. Dan untuk kolom yang ketiga adalah kalimat kedua. For example, I study hard because, as, or since I am student. I study hard as first sentence. Kalimat I study hard sebagai kalimat pertama. Because, as, and since as conjunction. Kata because, as, dan since sebagai kata penghubung. I am student as the second sentence. kalimat I am student sebagai kalimat kedua. For the other example, contoh yang lain, she eats rice because as or since she is hungry. She eats rice as the first sentence, kalimat she eats rice sebagai kalimat pertama, because as and since sebagai conjunction atau kalimat penghubung, and she is hungry as the second sentence, kalimat she is hungry sebagai kalimat kedua. Or the conjunction can be in front of the sentence. Please look at this table. Here there are 3 columns. The first column is for the conjunction, and the second column is the first sentence. Kolom yang kedua untuk kalimat pertama, and you have to put comma after the first sentence. Kalian harus menambahkan koma setelah kalimat pertama. And the last column is the second sentence. Kolom yang terakhir untuk kalimat kedua. For the example, sebagai contoh, because since you are student, you study hard. The word because, since is the conjunction. Kata because, as, dan since sebagai kata penghubung. You are student as the first sentence. Kalimat you are student sebagai kalimat pertama. And then you have to put comma after the first sentence. Kalian harus meletakkan koma setelah kalimat pertama. And next, you study hard is the second sentence. Kalimat you study hard sebagai kalimat kedua. For the other example, because since he is thirsty, he drinks iced tea. The word because, as, or since as the conjunction. Kata because, as, dan since sebagai kata penghubung. He is thirsty. Kalimat he is thirsty sebagai kalimat pertama, he drinks iced tea the second sentence. Kalimat he drink iced tea sebagai kalimat kedua. Okay, start here. Do you understand? Well, you are great. Now, please make 10 sentences about cows sentence on your book. Sekarang silahkan membuat 10 kalimat tentang cows sentence di buku kalian. Or you can write your answer in comment section here. Atau kalian bisa menulis jawaban kalian di kolom komentar di bawah ini. Thanks for watching and see you. Bye-bye.